Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Economic stabilizers smooth the business cycle without new laws. Let's identify which option automatically moderates short-run changes right now. Automatic stabilizers are specific economic policies that trigger without any new government action. We need to find the mechanism that naturally adjusts when the economy shifts away from its long-run equilibrium. Transfer payments like unemployment compensation are perfect examples because they increase automatically during recessions. This helps maintain consumer spending when people lose their jobs, which effectively supports the entire aggregate demand. These payments decrease during expansions as employment rises. This makes option E the correct choice for stabilizing the economy. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust the given info and check your steps.